Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, select this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files section between Stickers and Location. Now you can click on Audio section at the top. To make it easier for you to look, click on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and look for your audio file in one of those sections. Wherever you decided, when you're done, hold your file and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. In order to add a video one, click on this icon of a photo and the camera at the bottom left corner. Click on your video right away if it's recent, or select Gallery section and find it over here. Then click on it and choose Add at the top right corner. If you wish to, you can also select Gallery, tap on Folders, look for your video file the same way as an audio one before, hold it and choose Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!